Gotta breakfast something urgent came up at home
Okay, then get home safely. Bye bye.
What happened? Did you see the artist close by?
No, I did see the person face, but I remember they were wearing a necklace. I was waiting down for me with my friend to go home, but she had an errand and turned back after that. I felt someone walking behind me and someone grabbed me from behind.
Okay, please be good. Well, now we never need ready. My side something again. What were you doing at Building Tea at that time? I was going back to get something I had forgotten, but when I reached the second floor, I heard I saw an attacker starting out on me. Okay, thank you for this information.
What action are you taking?
Luckily, someone saw what was happening in time.
At least you see the person face.
No, I did see her face. I only know that the person was wearing a necklace.
Run, don't stay here.
Where's necklace is?
So you remember me now, why been waiting for a long time?
เฮ้ย Wow, that game look awesome. My if I join.